डिसेबल्ड हो गया वो तो। हाँ क्या पढ़े नंबर दिखेगा। हाँ अच्छा, तो नाम वगैरह जो दिख रहा था वो नहीं आएगा। Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the answer for first question? Shall I do it? So I'm doing first one. Just my purpose is you should spend some time on this type of question. All are simple. Question is, एक मिनट. Sorry. I wrote the same yesterday's question, X cube. I wrote yesterday's question, sorry. Which one done? Defined. This is nothing but f of fx
Equal to x.
equal to
minus 4x.
equal to, tell me, equal to how much? Is it
Minus 2x.
minus 2x whole cube? minus 8x cube.
Sir,
Minus
it is
2x.
4x.
Minus 2x whole cube is how much? Minus 8x cube, na?
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Correct. Got, sir. Got.
Now, see, f dash x is positive for all x. Function is entirely increasing. Just think of this is some capital X. Since function is entirely increasing, if f of something equal to f of something, so that number has to be this has to be equal to this.
Yes, sir.
Because fx is entirely increasing.
Increase.
Got it? If function is entirely increasing, f of capital X equal to f of capital Y, x has to be equal to y, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this gives us, this implies fx equal to minus 2x, since fx is increasing. Fx equal to minus 2x means x cube plus 3x plus 4 equal to minus 2x, x cube plus 5x plus 4 x cube plus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. So this is entirely increasing function. If you define it some gx is increasing. So this equation has only one real root. Cubic polynomial, the equation has exactly one real root. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
This is gx. Gx is entirely increasing. It will cut the real axis exactly once. So this equation has only one real root. So therefore, this equation has only one real root. Okay, next one. For next one, any answer? So shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Ishaq,
Yes, sir.
you are Ishaq or Ishaq?
Ishaq.
Ishaq,
Ishaq.
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 Spelling
ISHAQ.
Ishaq. Okay. So shall I discuss the next one?
Yes, sir.
I am rubbing it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, A, B, C, D are distinct positive real numbers. Okay. Subtracting 3 because we don't want numerator part. Just I want to convert in such a way that numerator part is constant. Subtracting 1, 1, 1. A by x minus A is B by x minus B plus C by x minus C plus minus x minus D minus 3. Suppose this is some fx, this is some gx. We know the graph of this, derivative of this is negative. This is A, points of discontinuity, B, C, okay, A, B, C. Now, take one by one, C plus, just graph of y equal to fx, C plus infinity. At infinity, it is 0. B plus infinity at C minus. See, at B plus, it is infinity, others are finite. Others are finite. If you add or subtract a finite real number in infinity or minus infinity, it remains same.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how we got A by x minus A, sir? Yes.
Is it visible?
Visible, sir, visible, clear, sir.
Subtract 1. Subtract 1, 1, 1. So this is how much? A by x minus A.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct?
Correct, sir. Clear, sir.
Now, yesterday I told you how to plot the graph of function, discontinuous function. Just there is no critical point where derivative is 0. Only critical points are A, B, C, points of discontinuous, points of discontinuity,
Yes, sir.
A, B, C. A is less than B is less than C. 0 is somewhere here. At C plus, this is infinity, others are finite. When x tends to infinity, 0, 0, 0. Trying it. C minus, slightly less than C. This is 0 minus, minus infinity. B plus,
Plus infinity.
plus infinity. Just we will join it. B minus, minus infinity.
Infinity.
A plus, A plus,
Plus infinity, sir.
plus infinity. Correct. A minus, minus infinity.
Sir.
Slightly less than A, 0 minus, minus infinity. Now, at minus infinity, it is 0. Like that. Now, what is f of 0? Sorry. No, G0. G, first let us calculate f0 is minus 3 and G0 is
Sir, g of x is plus 3 now, sir. Minus x minus b plus 3 now, sir.
I have subtracted 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So right side also.
Yes, sir. Minus 3.
Yes, sir. Minus 3 only.
Wait. Sorry. I think you are correct. Wait, minus 3, no?
Plus 3 only, sir. Minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Minus
Minus 3 only.
I have subtracted 3 left hand side, so right side also we have to subtract 3. So G0 is minus B minus 3. This is
Negative.
negative. This is smaller. This is smaller than this. So this is G0. Sorry, F0. F0 is -3. And what is G0? -D -3. Okay. Now this is constant. Just think of graph. Y equal to x minus x plus x minus some constant. So at 0, graph of gx, it will, and somewhere it will cut all these, because it will go till minus infinity. This is graph of y equal to gx. This is graph of y equal to fx. At how many points this gx and fx will cut? Definitely, since it goes till infinity,
Yes, sir.
minus infinity. So at how many points gx and fx will cut? 1, 2, 3. At how many points they will intersect? At how many points they will intersect?
4.
4. That's it. So number of points of intersection is four. So there are 4 real and distinct roots of this equation. Any doubt anywhere? Hmm. Shall I rub it?
1 minute.
Sir, at a minus it is infinity. Then which graph you have taken, sir? From there, a
At
minus.
A
it is-
minus, it is
minus
minus infinity, no?
Yes, sir. After that, which graph you have taken, sir?
Same graph. This is minus infinity. This is fx. And when x tends to infinity, minus infinity, when x tends to minus infinity, all will be 0, tends to 0.
Yes.
So graph will start from here, like this, tends to 0.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Because in between there is no critical point. In between there is
Yes. No critical.
no critical point. Nature of the function will remain same.
Yes.
If I give you some question, whether you are getting or not, it's immaterial. My purpose is you spend some time, just think of. The same thing here. What's your name? Just now we speak.
Junaid, sir.
Junaid. Same thing here. At C plus infinity,
Yes, sir.
at infinity, it is
Tends to 0.
0. So just join the points giving some shape.
Yes.
In between, there is no critical point. Region is that. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next, x square plus 19x plus 89. This is common question for quadratic. Find all integral values of x for which this is perfect square of some integer. Okay. Let any answer from your side.
-8 and -11.
What's your name?
Ishaq.
Sharp. Good. Correct. Let this is equal to some k square for some k belongs to I. So for some integral x, this is square of some integer. X square plus 19x plus 89 minus k square equal to 0 should have integral roots. Mute. Some sound is coming.
खा लेता हो क्या? तो ठंडा हो जाने की चीज क्या होती है? तो भी क्या होता? ठंडा होने की चीज तो नहीं होती।
कौन अनम्यूट कर रखा है? म्यूट करो. Mute yourself. Should have integral roots. I'm writing each and every step, but I will write in short. So this is the quadratic equation for some integral k. Now value of x must be integer. For integral roots, the minimum condition. What is the minimum condition? D should be some m square. Discriminant should be some. Discriminant should be perfect square. This is the necessary condition, not sufficient. For some m belongs to I. Okay. Now what is D? 19 square minus 4ac, 89 minus k square equal to some m square. 361 minus who is listening? Music. 4k square equal to m square. So this is 5. M minus 2k into m plus 2k. equals- Yes.
Answer
Yes.
is 11.
Answer is
8 and 11. Values of x.
just wait. Maybe plus or minus I have to check. Now look at here. This is 5. Now since this is integer, m is integer, this is integer, both the factors are integer. And 1, 5 is prime number. So possibility is this is 1, this is 5, this is 5, this is 1, this is -1, this is -5, this is -5, this is -1. These are the possibility. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, we construct the question in such a way that it is solvable. There are infinite number of things which are not solvable. So solving this, suppose m plus 2k is 5, adding 2m. We want the value of x and k. So if you add up 2m equal to 6, you have to write it m plus 2k equal to 5, m minus 2k equal to 1. This gives us m is 3. If m3 k1, if m3 k1,
Yes, sir.
so k is 1, this will be 88. For this k, what is this value? X square plus 19x plus 88 equal to 0. So 11, 8. X plus 8 into x plus 11 equal to 0. This implies x equal to -11 -8. Okay. Question is, these are integral values of x for which it's perfect square. If you put the value of x here, this will be 1 square. This will be 1 square. Okay. So one set of values of x is -11, -8. Second set. Suppose this is 1, this is 5. Again, m is 3. If m is 3, other case m plus 2k is 1 and m minus 2k is 5. What are these? What are the values of m and k? M is again 3. If m3, k minus 1. So if you put k minus 1, you will get the same x.
Sir, m minus 2k into m plus 2k equal to -5, no, sir?
This set 5 and 1. I took first this one. Second case,
No, sir, m minus 2k into m plus 2k equal to -5. There, sir, above step. That is -5, no, sir?
361 minus 356 is how much? 5 na? K square plus, see here it is 4k, sending it right side.
Okay,
So
sir.
m square minus 4k square.
Yes, sir.
M square minus
And
4k
only
square is how much?
m plus 2k into m minus 2k. Correct only.
And this left hand side?
5.
5.
Correct only, sir.
Correct only, sir, correct.
Now for k equal to -1, we'll get the same thing? Same value of x? For k equal to -1, we'll get same value of x. Same equation. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now the other possibility, -5, -1. So m is -3. If m is -3, k is 8. K is 4. If k is 4, then is d is perfect square. 60, 80 minus. Shall I rub this part? एक बार देख लो. For first and second case, we are getting same. For I think for this case and this case, we won't get the integral x. Once you check it. First you write. I will complete it. I will do this.
Yes, completed, sir.
So I am rubbing this part. Just shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Next case. M plus 2k minus 5. M minus 2k minus 1. M is -3. If m -3, k is
K
-1.
minus.
Same thing.
Yes.
K -1. If k -1, we'll get same value.
Yes.
Next case. M plus 2k equals -1. M minus 2k equals
-5.
-5. M is -3. If m is -3, k is again 1. Isn't it? K is 1. We'll get the same thing. So in all 4 cases, we'll get same value of k, 1 or -1. The value of k is 1 or -1. So the only integral values of x for which this is square of some integer is -11 and -8. So like that we have many questions. This is a common concept. We should know it. And so for k equal to 1, for k equal to 1. Okay. Mute yourself. Some sound is coming. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
In all cases, k is coming 1 or -1. Put the value of k, we get x equal to -11 or -8. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
अरे देखो कुछ साउंड आ रहा है. म्यूट. Whatever first 2 questions I discussed, just based on that, you do one. Think. Giving you 2 minutes for thinking. Solve 4x. If fx equals 1 minus x cube. If fx equals 1 minus x cube. So the question is 1 minus fx minus x cube x. All of you should do it. Solve this inequality. समझोगे नहीं तुम. See, check whether you are in unmute. All of you check it whether you are in mute. क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Mr. on mute, sir. Mr. Mute.
Just based on first 2 questions, you just think of.
पापा डेल का लैपटॉप का रेट कम हुआ पापा किस्मत से. डेल के
कौन ही अनम्यूट कर रखा है ये?
कितना हुआ बोलता, अब उसके हिसाब से तो बहुत कम हुआ, हमारे हिसाब से थोड़ा ज्यादा. 75 है. इनसे बात करते 73 का था. डेल का 80-90 था जो
I am asking you check whether in mute mode or unmute mode some sound is coming.
Muting yourself, sir.
Huh?
Mute him, sir.
Mute him, sir.
You can mute him.
Who is in?
Go to participants
can
and
mute,
search
sir.
Syed Sifatullah. देख comma.
It's Sibatullah, sir, in participants. Mute him.
So go to participants.
Both are?
Sir, he muted.
Yeah,
Participants.
Muted.
Go to participants.
Muted, sir.
Participants.
Muted.
Sir, he muted.
He muted, sir.
Muazzam.
Sir, he muted, I was saying, sir.
Muted.
Muazzam.
Leave him, sir. He muted.
Now it's okay.
So minus infinity to minus 2 union 0 to 2, sir.
I think correct. Good. See, f dash x is negative. F dash x is negative, implies fx is decreasing. Minus 1 minus 3x square. So fx is a decreasing function. Okay. This is nothing but f of fx. This quantity is f of fx. Is greater than f of 1 minus x. Since fx is entirely decreasing function, so if f of capital X equal to f of capital Y, so f of x must be less than 1 minus 5x. fx must be less than 1 minus 5x because fx is decreasing. fx is decreasing. So 1 minus x cube is less than 1 minus 5x. So this is x cube minus 4x is greater than 0. X into x minus 2. X plus 2 is greater than 0. Go to real line, minus 2, 0, 2, positive, positive. It should be here inequality will change because fx is
Decreasing.
decreasing. So minus 2 to 0 union 2 to infinity. So one more based on quadratic I am writing. Square plus px minus 444 p equal to 0. P is positive prime. Okay. Find p so that the above equation has integral roots. Has integral roots. Giving you 2 minutes. Think of.
It is minus 444, sir.
Minus 444 into p.
Sir, P is equal to 37.
P equal to
37
what's your name?
is half.
Isha. Ah, good, very good, correct. Simple way to like same thing. D should be perfect square for integral roots. P square minus 4 into 4 AC 111. Triple 4, if you divide by 4, 12. 12 8 7, correct. 37. See, P is a prime number. The only possibility is this is we can take 4 square, we can't take common because it's a prime. The only possibility is we can take common 3 square. If P is 3, we can assign P. If P is 3, we can, because P is prime. If P is 3, then 3 square we can take common if P is 3. If P is 3, then this is P root of 1 minus 16 into 37. This is not perfect square. Only possibility is P can be 3 or 37. So that we can take P square common out of the root. So that we can take common P square out of the root. So for P equal to 3, this is not the perfect square. Now for P equal to 37, just analysis. If P is 37, what will be it? 37 into root of 1 minus 48. कहीं गलत तो नहीं लिखा? ये प्लस 1 plus 48. Perfect square. Discriminant is perfect square. So roots are, this is 37 into 7. Now roots are minus b. Finally, because b perfect square is a necessary condition, not sufficient. Finally, we have to check it. X is minus 37 plus minus root of 37 square. 37 square plus whatever it is. 4 into 4 into 3 into 37 square by 2. If you take 37, anyway 37 square common, so 30 minus 37, let's check it, minus 37 plus minus 37 into 7 by 2. Anyway, this is integer because this is odd, this is odd. Odd plus odd is odd, odd minus odd is, sorry, odd plus odd is even, whether you subtract or add. This is integer. Because of these two, finally we have to check. And why only P equal to 37 is possible? P can be 3 or 37, so that we can take common P square common. Okay. No. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Given that A, B, C are distinct positive real numbers, ABC are distinct positive real numbers such that the quadratic equation quadratic expressions x square plus bx are positive for all x. Then range of is also simple question. A square plus b square plus c square by ab plus bc plus ca. What is the range of this expression?
Four to infinity.
Mhm.
Sir, what is it? Bx square plus cx plus
Bx square plus cx plus a, only a, b, c are variables, plus a.
okay, sir.
See, one thing, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. C square minus 4ab is less than 0. A square minus 4ac, sorry, 4bc is less than 0. Adding, sending right side, this implies a square plus b square plus c square by ab plus bc plus ca is less than 4. Second condition. Since ABC are distinct, a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square is always positive. So 2 times of a square plus b square plus c square is greater than twice of ab plus bc plus ca. From here we have a square plus b square plus c square by ab plus bc plus ca is greater than 1. Less than 4, greater than 1. Okay. Similar question एक और दे रहा हूँ.
Sir, how are we writing b square minus 4ac is less than 0?
If a quadratic expression is if roots always positive, what is ABC a distinct positive real number? A is
Yes.
positive. What is the graph of this? What is the condition?
A greater than. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Similar. Let ABC be the sides of a triangle. ABC are sides of a triangle. No two of them are equal. No two of them are equal, and lambda belongs to R. If roots of equation x square plus 2 times of a plus b plus c into x. Three lambda times of ab plus bc plus ca equal to 0. Three lambda times of ab plus bc plus ca equal to 0 are real. Then range of lambda. Similar type. One more question. This is integral part of alpha. We spend some time. Okay. Alpha, beta, gamma are roots of the equation this x cubed minus 9x square plus 24x c equal to 0. C belongs to R such that alpha less than beta less than gamma, then this value equals. Have you written the question?
So writing, sir.
Noted.
Hmm?
Noted.
Then shall I rub it?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Okay. I am disconnecting. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Thank you.